This flat sheet of aluminum becomes this in under 12 hours. First, it's stamped into shape under 60 tons of force. Then CNC machines cut every port and vent to 0.01 millimeter precision. Next, it's anodized. Sparks and chemistry turn raw metal into a hard, colored, corrosion-proof shell. Meanwhile, the motherboard is born. Thousands of components placed at over 50,000 placements an hour, then soldered in a reflow oven. The processor gets thermal paste, a copper heatsink, and a cooling fan. Then RAM and storage snap into place. Before it even has a case, the board is tested. Every port, every chip, every signal, checked. Then it's sealed inside the chassis for good. Weighed, boxed, and shipped.